Once the procedure ends, the clock begins ticking. Soils are quickly drying at the tip and inside your device. With each passing moment, manual cleaning becomes more difficult. The solution is the patented Distal Duct Kit. This point-of-use product begins to break down the bioburden on the robotic devices inside and out immediately, turning transport time into pre-cleaning time and reducing any chance of costly damage to the device's tip. The Distal Duct Kit contains 5 distal tip soakers, a bottle of enzymatic detergent, a sponge and a duct bag. Simply puncture the membrane and slide your device through the easy guide to the bottom of the distal duct tip soaker. While the tip is completely submerged, the enzymatic detergent begins to break down the soils on the tip. Place the sponge in the duct bag provided, followed by the devices. Using the bottle of enzymatic detergent, squeeze into the primary flush port until full on each device. Empty the remaining detergent into the bag, sealing it shut. The sealed bag will keep the instruments moist during transit. The Distal Duct Kit is part of the complete line of point-of-use products, allowing for more thorough cleaning and faster turnaround time back to your operating room.